Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy of Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my videos that I share to my channel daily. So guys, I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic, which is about inverted bob haircut for over 50 girls. These haircuts not for only young girls but also 40 plus overage girls. These hairstyles are really beautiful. So guys, let's start the video. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end because I'm sharing all the latest, beautiful, unique, and according to fashion, inverted bob haircut in this picture that are 40 plus girls are getting this summer. Well, after watching this hairstyle, you will be inspired to get this hairstyle as early as possible as you watch. So girls, don't waste the time. Just take a screenshot and go to your hairstylist and adopt this hairstyle. These hairstyles are really classy, outstanding, gorgeous that also celebrities and models, young girls and teenagers are also are getting this hairstyle this summer. Housewives are also getting these hairstyles. These all hairstyles are really beautiful that you can easy and ready to go anywhere after getting this hairstyle. After getting this hairstyle, you don't need to style them for long time. After getting this hairstyle, you will be easy for any time to go anywhere like kitty parties, functions, get-togethers, any wedding function or reception. I hope you like this video and like my effort today. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section, and you can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they also can know about the latest fashion which I share to my channel through video, because you can update it with latest and new fashion, because I made video on the fashion and trend daily. So guys, all these hairstyles that I'm sharing in this video are really gorgeous, latest and new, and I'm also share beautiful hair color with this hairstyle. You can select your favorite one with these hair colors, because these fashion hair colors are also in trending. You can select one of your favorite because you know yourself than anyone. These hair colors are really gorgeous, beautiful. You can go on with your base color as well, and on the other hand, you can select fashion color which I am sharing it in this video. These hairstyles and hair colors are in trending and really beautiful, dashing. And after getting this hairstyle and with this hair fashion color, you will be like a celebrity and you will feel like a model. So guys, don't waste the time. You just select one of your favorite and let me know also through comment section. You can also share your ideas that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to watch and make video on your ideas. It will be my first pleasure, and your appreciation keep me boost and energetic to make video for you guys on your favorite topic. So guys, take care yourselves. I will be there in next video with one of your and other favorite topic. Till then, take care yourselves and remember me in your prayers also. God bless you all. Keep sharing, keep watching, and keep supporting me and keep supporting the videos. Your support is really mean to me and keep me energetic for to make video for you guys next. Take care yourselves. Keep remember me in your prayers. Take care and have a great hair day.